Hey there my fellow Indians, welcome to News Hamster. Of late, several things have caught my attention. For example, I was talking about appropriate things. Our media has been really busy. It has been covering very important things that have been happening in the country. For instance,
नायक के जल्दी ठीक होने को लेकर मन्नतें मांग रहे हैं। हर कोई अमिताभ को जल्द स्वस्थ देखना चाहता है।
बॉलीवुड के शहंशाह ने सबका शुक्रिया अदा किया है।
ट्रीटमेंट को वो रेस्पॉन्ड करेंगे, ठीक से खाना खा रहे हैं, थोड़ी तबियत खराब है, ज्यादा नहीं, तो ऐसे में शुरुआती जो दवाइयां हैं उसके साथ ही ट्रीटमेंट किया जाएगा।
कांग्रेस के 85 विधायक रुके हुए हैं। 2 रिसोर्ट में उनके ठहरने की व्यवस्था की गई है। वरिष्ठ कांग्रेस नेता मुकुल वासनिक और हरीश रावत भी उनके साथ में हैं। दिल्ली रोड पर ब्यूना विस्टा और ट्री हाउस रिसोर्ट में विधायक हैं।
okay, so you have clicked on the video looking at the title, so you know precisely what I'm going to talk about. Did you know that Assam is a state located in India? It is located in northeast. Its capital is not Guwahati, but its capital is Dispur. Yes, Assam, northeast. Ring any bells? घंटी बजी? नहीं ना? कैसे बजेगी? तुम्हारी तो घंटी जब बजती है जब आपको लोगों को चिंकी चिंकी बोल के छेड़ना होता है, चिंकी है चिंकी ना. But otherwise, wait a minute. You remember last few days ago there was an attack on northeast students in Hyderabad on an accusation that these were the people spreading coronavirus. हाँ, ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक, हाँ हम तो चिंकी आदमी है, झोले में कोरोना वायरस लेके चल पड़ेंगे. Ring any bells? बजी अब घंटी. Assam has been in news in the past few months for several things, predominantly because of the flood it experiences not this year but every year due to the flooding of the Brahmaputra river. Now, as we record this video, Assam has been inundated with floods and more than 24 lakh people have been affected because of this, and more than 90 people have lost their lives. Sad part about Assam is that it not just affects people but also the animals because of the location of sanctuaries and wildlife national parks like Kaziranga, so on and so forth. We also saw that over 66 animals have lost their lives in the floods. Well, something that caught our attention was when a rhinoceros came on the roads and was resting on a highway. Well, the rhinoceros coming sleeping on the highway got a lot of attention, but the reason why it came there completely missed out. Well, this is not once in a 10-year phenomena or once in a lifetime phenomena that Assam experiences floods. It's a every year annual phenomena that Assam has been inundated in floods, and every year it seems to miss our attention. The roads are locked, the waterlogging everywhere, the water has come into the houses of people, a lot of people have lost their lives, their homes, their shelters. The government has also been very active, but it is not coming to the attention of the people, and the people have no idea that this place called Assam is going through so many things. Assam has been in news for another thing, that there were 3 Bangladeshi nationals who were lynched in Assam on accusation that they were cattle smugglers. Investigation did prove that they were cattle smugglers, but what brings my attention to this topic is how people in India love taking law and order in their own hands. कि चलो WhatsApp message आ गया, चलो lynch कर देते हैं. And of course, lynching has not been a new phenomenon for us, has it? Another reason why Assam has been in news because of the corona cases. The cases in Assam have crossed the 25,000 mark with over 58 deaths and more than 17,000 recoveries. अब किस पे फोकस करें बताओ? कोरोना पे फोकस करें या फ्लड्स पे फोकस करें? किस पे करें? Well, another thing is the Assam State's Human Rights Commission has written to the government of Assam to provide them an accurate report about the condition of the inmates in the jails of Assam, considering how coronavirus has been spreading. Apart from that, the floods have also come into the state. Assam in the past week has also experienced minor earthquake jolts, thunderstorms, and most cities in Assam have been under lockdown. It is worthy to note that the MLA of Dibrugarh has been very active in the forefront and has been helping the people out there. But हमें तो भाई की फोटो वायरल करनी है. हमें कहाँ ये सब पता चलता है? Have we seen anywhere on social media #PrayForAssam, which clearly shows how people are unaware of this particular thing? Have we seen any social media or a mainstream news channel talk about this, report this live? Arnab, you are discussing nepotism, you are debating on nepotism with Kangana Ranaut when you yourself are from Assam. अरे किसी को तो भेज लेते यार, कोई तो रिपोर्टर को भेज लेते कि वो एक्टिंग तो कर लेता. Do you remember the reporter who acted like he is flying off because of the wind, but the guy behind him stood stationary? Have a look.
घंटों तक और 3 घंटों तक जारी रह सकता है.
I think we should appreciate Carrie Minati not because of his content, but for raising 11 lakh rupees through a video stream for the victims, flood victims in Assam. देखो यार, I have nothing against Mr. Bachchan. Personally, I'm a huge fan of Amitabh Bachchan. But all the media channels are running that for this one man, 1 million lives are praying. And I'm just like, why can't this same 1 million lives pray for those a few lakh people stuck in Assam, suffering in Assam? This is a phenomenon that happens in Assam every year. And lack of concern and at both policy level and personal level makes these environmental disasters worse and worse by each passing year. It also points out to the fact that climate change is real. It's Assam today, it can be our place tomorrow. We owe it to humanity, we owe it to Assam. Let us pray for Assam and let us hope that things get settled down, and let's most importantly create awareness. Well, talking about Assam, we also need to know that the Baghjan or the Baghjan gas leak is still going on today. It's already at the worst condition, it could even get more worse. So should we make a video on that? Do let us know.
Right, we'll start this bulletin with some breaking updates coming in from the Baghjan oil well fire site. An accident has been reported in the Baghjan area. Huge blast-like sound.
And don't forget to share this video to make people aware and let them know about what is happening in the important pockets of our country, especially the big tea pocket of our country, which also exports things like coal, silk, tea and whatnot. क्योंकि अपनी मीडिया तो आपको ये सब इतना आसानी से नहीं दिखाएगी.
हर खबर पर होगी आपकी पकड़. डाउनलोड कीजिए ABP लाइव ऐप.
And to support good journalism and true media, press the subscribe button, press the like button, and keep commenting, keep sharing your views with us. Also, you can log on to www.thenewshamster.com for updates and news and reports, blogs, reviews, so many things. That's our official website. Well, apart from that, you have to stay safe, wear a mask because Coronil will not save you from corona. Maintain distance. Until next time, Jai Hind.